Samsung is all set to unveil its S21 series smartphones at a launch event titled Galaxy Unpacked 2021. The series is expected to have the Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung is also speculated to unveil the Galaxy Buds Pro as well as Galaxy SmartTag Bluetooth tracker. Vivo has launched its latest Y31s in China. The phone has been priced at 17,000 rupees for the 4GB plus 128GB variant and 19,300 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB variant. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 SoC and also has 5G support. There is no information about the international availability. A new feature of WhatsApp that has surfaced on beta mode is called the Read Later feature. As per Webera Info, WhatsApp is developing the Read Later feature as an improved version of the archive chats. WhatsApp has been working on this feature for quite some time. The Read Later feature, once rolled out, will stop the app from sending notifications from contacts that have been added to the Read Later section. And what comes in the backdrop of a resentment against WhatsApp, Signal app was downloaded 3.3 million times in the January 5th to 11th period, compared with WhatsApp's 1.7 million, Facebook's 2.1 million, and Instagram's 2.3 million downloads, Sensor Tower's data shows. Google is now rolling out guest mode for Nest smart speakers and smart displays. Google, in a blog post, explained how Google Assistant's guest mode works. Once it's turned on, all activities during guest mode won't be saved to your account, and your device will also not show personal details like your calendar entries or contacts. Snapchat permanently banned US President Donald Trump's account, saying he has violated the mobile app's rules many times by trying to spread hate speech and incite violence. Trump is also permanently banned from Twitter. He has been suspended from Facebook's main social network and Instagram indefinitely, and his account on Google's YouTube is blocked from posting for a week. An Iranian cyber espionage group known as Charming Kitten or APT-35 has used the recent winter holiday break to attack targets from all over the world using a very sophisticated spear phishing campaign that involved not only email attacks but also SMS messages. General Motors Company on Tuesday presented a futuristic flying Cadillac, a self-driving vehicle which takes off and lands vertically and carries the passenger above the streets and through the air. The controversy around WhatsApp's latest privacy policy has now caught the attention of the government, which, according to sources, has started an examination into the matter. Sources said the government's concern stems from a variety of factors, including the regulatory vacuum in the data protection space in India in the absence of a data protection law in the country.